Want to access the RingCentral Admin Portal? In this video, I will guide you on how you can access the RingCentral Admin Portal. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and type RingCentral Admin Portal. Now go ahead and click on the very first website, which is service.ringcentral.com. Now you will have to enter your email or phone number over here. Go ahead and do that. Then tap on the next option. On the next page, you will have to enter your password. Go ahead and enter that. Then tap on the sign in option. You can also sign in using your Google account, Apple account, or single sign on. Once logged in, you will land on the admin dashboard where you can manage users, numbers, and settings. To navigate, use the left-hand menu for users, phone system, analytics, and other admin functions. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.